Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Azi Graphics. Now this is like my first Photoshop tutorial. Yeah, in this particular tutorial I'll be teaching you how to edit and PSD text in Photoshop. Now alright, this is the PSD text. Yeah, I have various variations of PSD text I'll be using. So I have variations of PSD text which I can use for this tutorial. Now these are some of my PSD text I'm using. The Photoshop documents, text effects I'm using. Alright, so you can just come here and this is, I can just double click on it and it's going to load on my Photoshop. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just be editing one of them, which is this one in particular, or so let's just go with this one. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll just come here and I'll just put off my background because I need it to be transparent. So the next other thing is there's some effect I'm seeing, some shadow effect. This shadow effect, I need it to be transparent. Okay, this text, there's a text there. Then now, okay, let me keep in the background, bring in the background so you see the text I just removed. Right, that's this one. Alright, so with that gone, the background gone, now whatever I save can be transparent. So we have some text here. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll just come here and double click on this layer, this particular layer. Okay, not this one. This one in particular. Alright, so this is what I'm having here. So I'll just come here and just double click on it. Click on this stuff. Now the reason why you're seeing this particular effect, this caution button, the sign there, is that I'm not actually having a particular font on it, either for this star fight or for the movie. So I can just come here, if I double click on it, I can just replace it. Before, when I clicked on it, because everything was highlighted, as I just came here and I clicked on just one. And so I can just, let me just use any word, and I'll just, I won't be using enter. When I'm done, I'll just come to this key. So you can still come to this movie and edit it also. Okay, let's just edit. Alright, let's leave this one this way. Okay, the next thing I'll just come here and just leave it this one this way. Maybe just use my okay, so I'm done. So the next thing I'll just do is cancel this. Oh yes, I will save. So if I do that, it's now going to, you can see we're having a text effect. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do now. I can either come here, click export as a PNG, and it's going to save. I'll just click my desktop. I want to save my desktop, or I can just come here and light everything. Okay, then I'll just drag it over to this place, another church, and bring it down here. You're now going to see the text effect. It's taking a while, but we're going to see the text effect here. Okay, now in case you're new to my channel, I strongly recommend you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping some tutorials, not some, majorly amazing tutorials on my channel. Okay, now let's see how many minutes we've spent. Now you can see it has finally brought out the, so this is our text effect we have, but I don't want it here. So this is that for this one. So we can also do this one here. The next thing, I'll just come here and this additional text, I'm hiding them, then my background. Also I can just, this one maybe double click on it. That's part of it, you double click. And for this one now, I'm also not having this typeface. I'm not having this typeface. Okay, so if I double click on this, now this is the name of the particular font. I can just go and download it and install, or I can replace it with Montserrat, maybe a particular typeface that I have. Okay, I'll going to make use of Montserrat border. It's like my favorite font. So I'll double click on it and I'll just now I just left it at all caps and small letters. Let me position my okay, now I have this here. I can just come here and save changes. Okay, we can gladly export it the same way we did for the other one, and we can also do the same one here. So you can see this is our text effect, so we can still do the same thing and come here to export. We can export as a PNG, or we can, probably you're designing in Photoshop, so this is the one we saved the other time. This is the one we saved in the other time, so you can just come here now. So this was the one we saved the other time, and this is the current one we're doing, so I can still come here and save it as a PNG. So if I'm designing now, I can just highlight everything, highlight the text effect, and just drag it to, okay, let me drag it to my design. Right, so that's all for this tutorial. I just hope you learned how you can just bring in, you can create, edit text effects in Photoshop. Okay, that will be all for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. This is Graphics signing out.